Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox and review Esports KM580 gaming backlight keyboard and gaming mouse combo. I purchased this combo from Amazon for Rs 999. So, this is the box. It is pretty large compared to other keyboards. At first let's take a look from all the sides and find out its features and specifications. Both mouse and keyboard features are written here. You can pause the video if you like to read it. Anti-ghosting key list is given here. I was searching for this information on Amazon before buying this keyboard but didn't find it anywhere. By the way, it is supported on Linux operating system too if you are interested. At first here we have the mouse. The surface is rubberized to prevent slipping. The cable is a braided 1.5 meters long one and is USB 2.0 compliant. The mouse feels quite good in the hand and is pretty durable. The profile is ambidextrous with macro buttons on the left side of the mouse. The ambidextrous shape complemented with a slim profile makes sure that the user doesn't feel any fatigue on their hands. Here we have the warranty card. This combo has 1 year of warranty. Now this is the keyboard. It is quite heavy, nearly 500 grams. The keys have a raised island type layout which minimizes wear and tear on the membrane and keys. Under the keys is a white diffusion membrane which helps to diffuse the glow from the LEDs and makes sure that it doesn't blind out the user in the dark. It also helps to prevent dust accumulation under the keys like normal keyboards. The keyboard comes in a sleek yet durable black body that is covered by an aluminum plate on the top to prevent any sort of warping or bending while typing or gaming. The keyboard has a strong rubberized cable with ridges running along its length so as to minimize kinking. The keys are made of ABS plastic and are pretty durable because of their double-shot nature. It has 3 static color theme. You can switch between the color theme by clicking on this button. You can also adjust the brightness using function key and page up, page down button. It has multimedia keys on top of function keys. You can remove the keys like this and interchange their position if you like to. The keys feel almost mechanical, but it is actually a membrane keyboard. This is the typing sound. This mouse is an entry-level gaming mouse that comes with a 3200 dpi sensor with pretty decent tracking in games. The sensor goes all the way from 800 to 1600 to 2400 to 3200 dpi. Although the product description says that the mouse button is programmable, but I didn't find any software for this mouse in their website, which means the buttons are not programmable like other high-end esports mice. So, if you are a casual gamer, then this is a best combo for you. The keyboard will give mechanical feel and the RGB light will give a gaming feel. Overall, under 1000 rupees it is a very good deal. I will leave the link in description. You can check out from there. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.